Hi guys, welcome to CAT 24 slot 1 paper analysis. So just now slot 1 is finished and we have a couple of students standing right beside me. So they will be giving you the complete analysis, but the overall paper was moderate to difficult. Now section by section analysis they will be talking about. Yeah, what's your name? Amnesh Singh. So how was your paper?
Paper was on moderate side, not very easy, not very difficult as comparative. I was going to section wise, so I can do the thorough analysis on it.
Let's start with the quad.
Basically on this year there is no modern maths question. Every year one question was come.
Arithmetic के कितने क्वेश्चन थे?
Arithmetic almost 8 to 9 क्वेश्चन आपको देखने मिल जाएंगे.
As the usual pattern,
Yes.
8 to 10 question. Okay.
आपको 8 से 9 मिल जाएंगे.
Algebra.
Algebra was same as 2023 on tougher side also because questions are reduced.
Okay.
You will get only 4 to 5 questions. Basically on sequence and series. This year gives the log question with the creative integer factor, not on the pure log.
Okay.
And
Number system के 2 से 3
number system के एक क्वेश्चन देगा. वो भी familiar topic था. Divisibility.
Okay. Geometry and mensuration.
ज्योमेट्री के क्वेश्चन वही थे इस बार. विथ मेंस्ट्रुएशन में अटैच था. प्योर ज्योमेट्री के क्वेश्चन नहीं थे. उसमें मेंस्ट्रुएशन था, स्फीयर के ऊपर पूछा था.
Okay.
If anyone know the area of sphere and all, they can do that. Principal only में.
कॉम्बिनेशन प्रोबेबिलिटी कुछ था क्या?
नहीं था.
नहीं था. तो ये मोटा मोटी कौन का एनालिसिस है स्लॉट 1 को लेकर. नाउ इट वेरीज इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल. डू कमेंट एंड टेल अस हाउ मच क्वेश्चन विल बी पहला तो व्हाट इज द एनालिसिस. नाउ कमिंग टू द LRDI विच द कमेंट सेक्शन. हाउ वाज दिस?
LRDI actually was tougher, but this year was not on the tougher side.
Okay.
This was a bit on easier side. You can say the moderate side, not on the tougher side.
Okay.
As it was जैसे आपको सीट मिलता है 2 to 3 seats was pretty doable. But the format was changed. Every year comes 4 sets of 5 questions.
Correct.
But this year comes 5 sets.
5 sets.
Of 22 questions.
Okay.
3 sets on 4 questions.
Okay.
2 sets on 5 questions.
Number of sets were 5 and question were 22.
22 questions.
So total number of questions section by section it varies this year.
It varies this year. Yes.
Okay. So it was
Only
like
in DIR.
in
DIR was 24 on similar. Font was 22 on similar.
okay.
Yes. Only DIR was changing pattern.
Okay. So 2 bar graph and 1
Not 2 bar graphs, you can say that. You can consider as a 3 on DI.
Okay.
Purely on DI.
Okay.
There is no reasoning on that. Okay. 1 on the candlestick pattern.
Okay.
Which was in that 2023 also the same
Type
chart
thing.
was given. Same dictate.
so you appeared last year also.
No. I had solved the past year
Past year question. Okay.
So same that का past year पेपर उठा के दे दिया. But terms was same.
Okay.
Nothing. On the similar.
Nice. So you were able to do it.
Yes. That was the easiest.
So this year LRDI was moderate.
Moderate. Not difficult.
And lastly VARC section.
One on the games and tournament.
Okay.
If anyone know the round and robin method,
Okay.
they can easily do it because they know it. One team plays against each other, but a similar thing.
Yes.
Not on the different parts. Okay. And there are 2 more DI sheets on it, which on the graph basically. One on the revenue and one on basically there was a 5 section was given, 5 wave person was given, and there are some bloggers actually ABCD. Basically there are bifurcated. You have to make the scheduling type of. Not scheduling, you can put a type of. You have to be arrange the numbers. कितना किसको कितना नंबर दिया है.
Understood.
तो वो इजी सेट था. वो
Doable.
doable 7 to 8 मिनट में
Yes.
कैसे किया जा सकता है.
You have want to add anything if people want to add? In
There is one
LRDI.
set is also on election में election का set था. Basically the election set was on tougher set you can say in out of the 5.
Election that it was based on DI.
No. Basically on LRS and the calculated. Tougher इसमें बन जाता है क्योंकि वो calculated side पे बहुत चला जा रहा है. आपको percentage निकालना पड़ेगा. और उसमें क्वेश्चन में if and but वाले थे.
Okay.
तो उसमें मतलब एक क्वेश्चन के लिए
Multiple conditions.
इसको ना युवा कमेंट भराई ना और DI के तीनों से इजी थे. तो एकदम इजी थे. वो कैंडलस्टिक वाला भी
This year slot 2 slot 3 student LRDI is little bit manageable. I would say moderate section as per them. But now you tell me in the comment section how was your
कॉन्ट्स का भी अरिथमेटिक पूरा 60 क्वेश्चन ऑलमोस्ट डूएबल. इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू रियलाइज. दिस इज माय
speaker.
और
Quant में algebra 8 to 10 question as usual.
And doable. And doable.
Doable.
Question. Yeah,
Questions are doable.
Doable. All doable.
How about algebra?
Algebra was bit tough. Bit tough.
Tough
Yeah.
right? And number of questions also reduces.
Yeah.
If you didn't find inequality पे दिया था कभी ग्राफ के साथ मिक्स था
हाँ.
अच्छा ठीक है लॉग दिया था लॉग ग्रेटेड इंडिकेटर था मिक्स था अच्छा
Full of application
Yeah,
basis
yeah,
as usual calc का
Modulus
nature.
का एक भी
Pure-
क्वेश्चन नहीं था और
you cannot consider
modern
pure
maths का
algebraic
एक-
question
Yeah.
this year आइडेंटिटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन थे
तो वो प्रॉपर्टीज को यूज करके एक क्वेश्चन बनाना
अगर आपको फॉर्मूलेस आते रहेंगे तो आप कर पाओगे अदरवाइज नहीं कर पाओगे अलजेब्रा ऑन बिगर साइड
और VARC का वो बाद में आया जब-
Geometry, mensuration.
हाँ वो भी दोनों मिक्स कर दिया था वो भी एक दो क्वेश्चन थे एक बोलता तो
क्लियर के ऊपर था मेंसुरेशन का मिक्स किया था
और एक रेक्टेंगल था वो इंसर्कल रेक्टेंगल का इंसर्कल का वो था
प्योर क्वेश्चन नहीं था प्रोबेबिलिटी के क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे मॉडर्न मैथ्स से क्वेश्चन नहीं थे नंबर सिस्टम के डिविजिबिलिटी का था नंबर सिस्टम के काम का
Okay. Sorry if I missed. VARC.
VARC में सबसे बड़ी बात मतलब पैराजंबल से हटा दिया था पैराजंबल का क्वेश्चन नहीं था
Parajumble question was not there.
और शफल कर दिया था मतलब एक पैसेज फिर अचानक से समरी फिर अचानक से
आपका फ्लो थोड़ी है
हाँ
24 क्वेश्चन होते हैं क्वेश्चन में चेंजेस नहीं है क्वेश्चन वॉज सिंपल बट पहला एक आरसी दे दिया 4 क्वेश्चन दे दिया क्वेश्चन नहीं दे दिया आफ्टर दैट दे एडेड द बीए क्वेश्चन
एक समरी आया फिर दो और वन आउट आए
one BA question then again RC then some BA question then again RC then some BA question
What is the problem you people have faced when solving the VARC?
look if someone is solving in mock then completely they solve first RCs then go on the BA question correct if you solve one RC then go on second RC then third RC
Understood.
as per it but in this paper if you didn't open the question paper palette mode you will find down the upper side because you don't know about the what actually comes in the paper
for me it was time management means
The only what I understand, the question were jumbled in VARC. Overall 24
no
questions.
yeah
It was jumbled.
yeah.
But one RC is coming, so based on one RC there are 4-5 questions.
yeah.
That will be continued.
Yeah,
That will
yeah.
continue. Once you finish that RC,
You'll get-
automatically you'll get VA weight.
Yeah.
correctly
This way it is.
Yeah.
Okay, understood. Okay, so
because of this the time management was
time and how to toggle through the paper. That is the one, and because of that we were lack of focus and waste of time.
and main thing was parajumble was completely wrong. No parajumble
Parasummary and odd man out.
3 parasummaries 3 odd one out
three odd one out
and 2 fill in the
Parajumble was not there. Slot to slot 3 one. The analysis will be very very handy for
but
you.
BA was
और,
on easier side you can consider the BA on the easier
Overall
side
paper is just not well. Can we rate it moderate side?
no
on the moderate side not on the big tougher not on the easier you can look on the difficult not difficult side you can say on the easier to moderate side not that moderate
मुझे क्या लगता है 90% हेल्थ के ऊपर 99 के ऊपर जाएगा कि नहीं?
different पेपर भी इजी आया तो स्कोर भी वैसे ही
I
बढ़ेगा
solved 2 DLRs I know that was both that was right correct so in theory I was little bit skeptical about that DRC I will go that because I was
So all the best, yeah. Let's wait for the result. So this is what the slot 1 analysis. Right after this, you will be getting the slot 2 analysis, and mine was the slot 3. So I need to give the detailed analysis. I'll be writing the slot 3 paper. And thank you guys for sharing all the information. Yeah, thank you. And all the best for your result.